Hi everyone, Dav Spear here from Smiths in Swansea. Today we're on Moorside Road in West Cross, another listing in SA3 coming to you very, very soon. We're on the corner of Brookvale Road and Moorside, which is just behind me. And there's a 4-bed detached I'm dying for you to see to my left-hand side. Follow me inside and take a look for yourself. The external of this property comprises of a lovely wraparound garden, which I'm standing in now. Behind me, we've got a tiered garden as well. Driveway just to my right-hand side and a further entrance over to the left. We're at the end of the driveway now, and to my left we've got the garage and extension part of the property. For those of you who need that extra bit of space in the property for multi-generational families, it could be absolutely ideal as a potential annex or an additional income stream as well. So that was our property on Moorside Road, dual aspect, detached, 4 bedrooms. If it's something of interest to you or somebody you know, please contact us directly. Give me a call, my number's on the screen by there, and give our office a call if you'd like to make an appointment at your earliest opportunity. I'd love to show you around this property, so please contact us soon. Thank you.